Unlock the power of precise form filtering in Webflow by mastering the art of combining multiple conditions. First, let's set up our form drag and drop a form block onto your canvas inside. You'll need at least 2 input fields that will serve as our filter criteria. For this example, we'll add a drop-down field for category and another text input field for location. Configure these fields to match the data you want your users to filter by for the category dropdown. Populate it with your desired categories. Now, let's prepare the content we'll be filtering. This could be CMS items, a collection list, or even other elements on your page. Ensure each item has properties corresponding to our category and location fields. Crucially, we need to connect these content items to our form fields for filtering. Select your collection list or the elements you wish to filter. Navigate to the Interactions panel and create a new element trigger, set to while scrolling or on load, depending on when you want the filtering to initiate. Within this trigger, we'll add an action to filter our collection. Choose Filter Collection as the action type. This is where we combine our filters first. Add a condition based on your category dropdown. Select the category field from your content and choose Matches dropdown value from the category input field. Next, and this is key, add another condition this time. Select the location field from your content and choose Contains text input value from your location text input field. Ensure the Match All Conditions option is selected. This tells Webflow to only show items that meet both your category and location criteria. Preview your site and test out your filters. Your users can now select a category and type a location to dynamically refine the displayed results, making your forms incredibly user-friendly.